The Hoto Cordless Spin Scrubber has become a popular option for those looking to simplify household cleaning, offering the promise of powerful scrubbing without the physical strain of manual effort. Designed with a cordless rechargeable battery, multiple brush heads, and an extendable handle, it claims to tackle a variety of surfaces including tiles, sinks, bathtubs, kitchen counters, and even grout lines. Many users appreciate the convenience of its lightweight design, which allows for extended use without fatigue, and the rotating brush action, which can significantly reduce the time spent scrubbing compared to traditional methods. On the other hand, some buyers have reported drawbacks such as battery life that falls short of manufacturer claims, occasional motor weakness, and brush heads that wear out faster than expected. There are also mixed opinions regarding its effectiveness on stubborn stains or heavily soiled areas, with some users needing to supplement it with additional manual scrubbing. Customer service experiences also vary, with some praising Hoto's responsiveness while others have expressed frustration over replacement or warranty issues. Despite these concerns, the majority of users find it helpful for light to moderate cleaning tasks, especially in homes where efficiency and convenience are priorities. Ultimately, the Hoto Cordless Spin Scrubber may be a valuable addition for routine cleaning, but potential buyers should manage expectations regarding durability and heavy-duty performance, read multiple verified customer reviews, and consider comparing it with similar products on the market to ensure it meets their specific cleaning needs.